Welcome to Arcos self-storage. Let's talk about the importance of disc locks. Imagine you've just packed away your most prized possessions, family heirlooms, or vital business documents. You feel a sense of relief knowing they're safely tucked away. But how secure are they really? The storage unit might seem sturdy, but without a proper lock, it's like leaving your front door wide open. That's where disc locks come into play. These aren't your average padlocks. They're specifically designed for self-storage units, offering superior protection against theft. Disc locks have a unique design that makes them nearly impossible to pick. They're also resistant to bolt cutters, the tool of choice for most thieves. So, with a disc lock, you're not just locking away your items, you're adding an extra layer of security. In a world where security is paramount, disc locks provide that extra peace of mind. They're a small investment that can safeguard your valuables and give you the confidence that your items are well protected. So next time you're considering a self-storage unit, don't forget the disc lock. Remember, a storage unit without a disc lock is like a bank without a vault. It's an invitation for trouble. So, whether you're a business, a family, or an individual looking for extra space to store your valuables, a disc lock is a must. It's not just about storing, it's about securing. Get your disc locks today at any Arcos self-storage storefront.